The United States is a nation recognized for its global presence and influence. The United States is often characterized as a symbol of freedom and democracy. A critical examination of the United States' role on the global stage is essential. Multiple global war zones are presented, spanning conflicts in Vietnam, Afghanistan, Iraq, Syria, and Libya. Each war zone is chronologically labeled with dates and quantified by associated costs. These wars were ostensibly initiated under the pretense of promoting peace, justice, and combating terrorism. Trillions of dollars are allocated from the U.S. Treasury to fund military campaigns. These financial resources support warfare operations over several decades. The scale of financial allocation to military campaigns is immense. Military cemeteries symbolize the human cost of war. Statistics quantify the number of American soldiers killed or wounded in action. The data represents the ultimate sacrifice made by soldiers in service. A crowded hospital waiting room symbolizes the strained and costly healthcare system in the U.S. Visual comparison, juxtaposing the hospital scene with data visualizations of high U.S. military spending. The disparity between healthcare accessibility and military expenditure highlights resource allocation challenges. Rising tuition costs and increasing student debt symbolize the growing unaffordability of higher education. Student loan debt statistics are displayed to quantify the financial burden on students and graduates. The escalating cost of education creates barriers to entry and long-term financial challenges for many individuals. Homelessness is on the rise in American cities, reflecting a growing social crisis. Increased homelessness is a social consequence linked to shifting economic priorities. Rising homeless populations strain social support systems and community resources. The increase in urban homelessness necessitates comprehensive policy interventions and community support. Graphs illustrate increasing taxes and soaring inflation rates, reflecting the economic burden on the American people. The military budget line remains consistently high, contrasting with fluctuating social welfare budgets. Visual comparison of budget allocation trends reveals the economic priorities.